The person arrested, we were lucky. We found him red-handed, actually. We arrested him at the scene. There were 5, 4 ran away. Lucky enough, we apprehended one. And he's assisting us in trying to track down those who are at large. The major issue that is fueling this thing is the scrap metal business, the copper business, so to speak. We are trying to liaise with national government to see how we can rein on this. And also I'm calling upon the Scrap Metal Council to come in and assist us in regulating the scrupulous scrap metal dealers. So what we recovered in the lorry is the copper wires, and the cables and the cables and conductors that are used for transmission of energy. So those are the contents that we found from on that lorry. We are still yet to quantify the value, but we are looking at a tune of 250 kilos. Over 250 kilos. So we are yet to ascertain the value. However, based on that rough estimate, the street value of 1 kilo of copper is around 2,000 shillings. So you can see, roughly, it translates to around 400,000.
So when we see that the power is off, the nyumba kumi comes out, and that's how we came, and then we made sure that these people are apprehended. And to make it matters worse, the culprit don't come from our area. So I urge the resident to be vigilant very much.